guys, what's up? And I am so happy because now I have something that can work as a tripod, so yay. And it's already like evening-ish. I don't know why I'm starting this so late, but yeah, so expect this to be super small because I'm going to sleep early today because dear Modi ji is coming up tomorrow at 10. So yeah. Hello, I just finished having some lunch and I think I'm just going to study for a bit, and I'm just going to show you what I study today. I'm doing some lab work, so I'm just drawing some structures and stuff. So yeah, let's do that. I just finished up and then I just took a little bit of a break, and it's kind of evening-ish now, like 4:30-ish. My parents are sleeping. I'm just going to go and paint a bit, but I don't know, I feel like painting on a wall or something, so let's see. Hi guys, so that went kind of well-ish and I had fun. That's important. It's almost like 6:37 now. I think I'm just going to go make some dinner, and I'm going to show you what I make for dinner, so let's go and do that. And
Cooking with Dhwani.
for the taco shells, we're making a dough out of corn flour and all-purpose flour, making them into circles, pricking them and frying them into the shape of taco shells. For the uncooked salsa, take some tomatoes, chilies and onions, put them in a bowl with some coriander, and then season it with oregano, paprika, salt and sugar, and give it a nice mix. Initial prep, take some beans and boil them in a cooker, and take some tomatoes and boil them too, and peel them and put them in a food processor to make a thick tomato pulp. Then in a pan, take some oil and put some onions in it with some ginger garlic paste. Saute them well and then add the tomato pulp that we prepared along with chili powder and cumin seed powder and also some ketchup, and add the beans to it. Let it cook until it's lost all its water. For the garnish, grate some lettuce and also some cheese. Hey, so I think that's it for today, and I'm going to end this here. And I know this was like super short, but I hope you had fun, and I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. And if you liked it, like and comment and let me know what else you want me to do. I'm bored too, but I'm like trying to do different stuff. And yeah, see you guys.